Hi, my name is Amy.
My name is Alex.
So about 3 years ago, we actually moved from Taiwan to Vancouver. And then for a reason for our kids and health and everything. So long story short, we were looking for something that we could run online and preferably a good business, because we wanna spend time with each other, with our little kids. And so we ran into so many things online, like e-commerce and things that need a lot of other support or paying fees after fees. And then we actually even bought into training that costs us like 25,000 doing the same training that we got from here. And so when I saw this first time, I showed it to you, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, this might be too good to be true. But then because we tried everything already, and then I thought, well, let's give us
one last shot
to this, because we tried so many things already. And then so it was the best, like Mike said, it's the best 140 night I ever paid. And then we opened the training. It took us a month to go through the training during the nighttime when kids are in bed. And then and second month, we launched our campaign and follow the training, how things are work. And on third month, I actually got my first check of 640. And that was amazing to me, because we have been trying online for the past half year before that, and nothing was working, and we were just paying after paying more. And so from there we grow from 600 and 1,000 something and 2,000 something and 3,000 something, and now our biggest month is about 12,500. Yeah, I forgot the end number. But then the what's amazing is that I've been in the business for about 2 years now. And from then till now, our mentors, our coaches are always there for us. When we hit 3 figure, they coach us, and then they mentor us to see how we're gonna hit that 4 figure. When we hit that 4, they mentor us and coach us to show us how we hit that 5 figure. And before that, when we were trying to do other business, we were sorting out what product to do, how to manage people, or how to manage the system. And that was draining us, and we didn't have any of that here. So during this pandemic, and then we are so grateful for what's happening right now. A lot of, like, you just on a call with your friend, right?
Yeah, he just lost his job.
Yeah, and his friend was in Toronto, and for us, we actually got so much better. And the big thing is that people are so scared with the whole thing, but we did something really amazing yesterday. So that's why we're here to hop on to share with you guys. And so we actually put down a down payment for our very first home. This is our new home. Yay! So yes, we did that yesterday, and we are super excited. And like, we are cleaning and packing. Our home right now is a mess, but it's the first time we actually own a home. And then we never thought it was possible, because we are always worried about, are we gonna be able to pay our mortgage? Are we gonna be able to pay off the down payment? Are we gonna have the fund for furniture and stuff like that? And now we are excited that we are designing our Kate's home, right? Kate, our little girl's princess room, whereas my boy get his own room too. And it was just this is just so exciting for us, and we never thought this will happen. And another big thing is that we're just talking about how if it's not for this, we will be having to start everything all over again, maybe 2-3 years or 5 years later, when our parents are older, and then we'll have to go back to Taiwan to be with them. And now we don't have to worry about that anymore, right?
Yeah, because there's online business like poverty,
you'll get, it's the advantage of having the online business.
Yeah.
So literally we could run it here, we could run it when we go, if we plan to go back to be with our parents like 5-6 years later, and then and it just brought us so much possibility. And with this pandemic, if it's not for the pandemic, this guy here will be in school. He's actually a full-time student learning English, and we get to choose. We get to choose what we want to do. Like instead of having to go out to find 3 jobs to put bread on the table, you get to choose that. Okay, I want to improve myself in English, and I want to do this and that. And I'm like, yeah, follow your dream. Right? So, anything you want to add?
No.
Yeah, so, so it's, yeah, that's about it. But then again, I thought that I never thought one day we could own our own place. And then we never wanted anything big or extraordinary. We didn't need a Mercedes or a private swimming pool like that, but we wanted time to be with our kids and be able to afford things that we wanted, and then not worry about our pocket, right? And this got us that and so much more. So thank you for the system, and thank you for everything that is here, and thank you for all the friendship right here. Like these people are just amazing, and we get to meet them and then be the best version of ourselves. So, yeah.